are exploring Disneyland today at the happiest place on earth. So why don't you come with us as we have laughs, food, and rides. Entrance gates.
Yeah, that's what I was.
With the railroad behind it.
In the land of magic every day. Let's go to the rides.
Tomorrowland.
With the wave of a wand, we can reach for the top. I wanna fly.
Alright, we are heading to Space Mountain.
And the dreams I wanna be, I wanna live in the land of magic every day.
Okay, see you. Alright, so we are in Star Traders. Ooh, that's a bright backpack. There's the Mickey foam hand soap. There's another 70th shirt. That one is $34.99. They have water bottles and there's more kind of merch. Star Wars merch. There. More kind of Star Wars merch. Phone cases. Customized phone cases and put them on your iPhones. It's Watchmen too.
I wanna fly, I wanna see all the castles and the dreams I wanna
Some
be.
Ewok backpacks. We're gonna be here at Graphic Gill ordering our breakfast burrito. So there is the sausage burrito. We are waiting in line for Peter Pan. I'm watching you.
What are you doing? Hey, you don't want to do it.
Stole my hand.
Come on, everybody. Here we go.
There we go.
Yeah, choose the teal one. I had the pink one.
We're entering Mickey's Toon Town. Oh no, he busted out of the jet.
One of
castle. There's the Royal Theater. These buildings. Oh, it's like a jester. There's the Royal Hall where you do princesses meet and greets. Jolly holiday. So we're entering Adventureland. There's your enchanted tiki room over here. Going to do the Jungle Cruise. Looks like a 20-minute wait. Whoa, close up. Whoa, close up.
You'll never see them again. Welcome to the world famous Jungle Cruise. My name's Skipper Jeff. I'll be your skipper for the next 5 hours. Left of the boat, that's a croc. Well, you're on luck today. The Indian elephant herd is out. This is unheard of. Now feel free to stare at them and take as many photos as you wish because they all have their trunks on. This is what happens if you stay in the shower too long. You turn into an elephant. Now if you look to your left, look over here to your left. You're going to see absolutely nothing. To enter the Nile River. The Nile River is 4,000 miles long, making it the longest river in Africa. In fact, it goes on for miles and miles and miles and miles. And if you don't believe me, you're in the Nile.
Pirates of the Caribbean. Row 1.
And Davy Jones waiting for them what don't obey.
It's Captain Jack Sparrow around here in a port city. Captain Jack Sparrow and the treasure, you bilge rat.
Do not tell him, Carl.
You're flock.
Hey, send him hints a Davy Jones.
We're walking in New Orleans Square.
Mom, hold on.
There's the Blue Bayou restaurant. There's Tiana's shop.
Yo ho, a pirate sight for me. Yo ho, a pirate sight for me. And the beggars and lighters and dead and look out, drink up, get out of your hole. I
There's some people doing the canoes. Golden Horseshoe ahead. Yes.
See y'all again soon.
Potential on your way.
There's the Millennium Falcon.
Another group of flight candidates. Welcome, my friends. Welcome, welcome. What a fine-looking group of flight professionals. You remind me of me, but without the bounty on your heads. Recognize a few of you. You've flown for me before. I can't believe you made it back. The Millennium Falcon. Oh no, for some very fast and very profitable expeditions. Chewbacca, my fine furry friend! Yes.
This thing has seen better days. Better fix all that before the Wookiee sees it.
Smugglers and scoundrels, pirates and rogues, travelers and adventurers. Welcome. My name is Tohan Lage, the Lore Weaver. In Black Spire, I found refuge and my home. And though I am long since gone, through my droid and friend Bard, my voice and my stories live on. Black Spire Outpost has a long and colorful history of heroes and legends, Jedi and Sith.
Yes, they are. What an unforgettable trip. Disneyland truly is a place where families can laugh, play, and make magical memories together.
Thanks for coming along with us. Don't forget to
Like and subscribe.
and share your favorite Disneyland ride in the comments below.
Bye.
Bye.